Looking to upgrade your kitchen with smart, time-saving gadgets? From effortless cooking to seamless food prep, these 10 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets will transform the way you cook. Stay tuned as we unveil the must-have tools that bring convenience, efficiency, and style to your kitchen. Let's dive in. The fully automatic Dumpling Maker machine is a game changer for any kitchen. Available in two colors, it offers a free choice to match your style. This machine lets you make dumplings in seconds, whether using one side alone or both ends simultaneously for double efficiency. Easy and convenient to operate, just add the filling, but not too much or sealing will be tricky. Simply brush the edges with water, and the dumplings seal perfectly. With adjustable timing, you can set it to cycle every 6 to 9 seconds for continuous dumpling making. Plus, its Type-C fast charging ensures long-lasting endurance. The result? Perfectly shaped, beautiful, and clean dumplings every time. The electric dough maker takes mixing and fermenting to the next level. With its 7L large capacity and 304 stainless steel non-stick mixing bucket. Equipped with a microcomputer timer, it makes dough preparation effortless. The S-shaped 3D mixing knife and small conical lid knead dough thoroughly while preventing it from floating. The top small window allows easy ingredient addition, and its vertical design imitates hand mixing, creating pliable and strong dough. It can knead 1 to 3.5 kilograms dough at once, making it perfect for large and small families. The 77 by 100 degree Fahrenheit constant temperature fermentation expands dough 1.5 times larger. A separate design ensures easy cleaning, while the silicone ring base prevents movement. Heavyweight construction effectively reduces noise, delivering a smooth, quiet baking experience. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker simplifies breakfast with its 6-egg tray, allowing you to make hard-boiled eggs in minutes with no guesswork. Whether you crave perfectly poached eggs or individual omelets, this compact appliance delivers consistent results with ease. Just add water, press a button, and let it do the work. Its user-friendly design ensures hassle-free cooking, making easy omelets a reality for busy mornings. Plus, its sleek build fits any kitchen, and cleanup is a breeze. Start your day right with fast, effortless, and perfectly cooked eggs. Every time. The Flip Belgian Waffle Maker makes breakfast effortless. Just pour, flip, and enjoy. The cool touch handle and built-in indicator light let you know exactly when to flip for perfectly golden waffles every time. The non-stick True Glide surface ensures an easy release, while the removable drip tray keeps cleanup simple. Just pop it in the dishwasher. With easy cord storage and a compact design, this waffle maker fits neatly into any kitchen. Plus, the included recipe booklet means you'll have plenty of waffly delicious ideas to try. Convenience, flavor, and fun, all in one. The 3-in-1 breakfast maker lets you start your day with variety, cooking eggs, bacon, pancakes, and toast, all at once. Get ready for a healthy non-stick griddle, completely free of PFAS, ensuring effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Designed for convenience, its cool touch handles keep you safe while you cook. Get set to mix it up every day, trying new breakfast combos effortlessly. Whether you crave a classic meal or something creative, this all-in-one station is ready. Let's go. Enjoy delicious, hassle-free mornings with this compact, efficient, and stylish breakfast maker. The LifeWit Rice Dispenser offers generous storage space, holding up to 25.4 pounds of rice or other grains while keeping them fresh and hygienic. Featuring a window with a clear scale, you can easily monitor the remaining quantity. Its superb air-sealing design ensures moisture-proof, odor-proof storage. With one-press dispensing, getting the right amount is effortless. And the versatile scaled rice cup allows for precise measuring. This multi-purpose container is perfect for various small grains, and its built-in strainer lets you rinse and strain rice before cooking. Available in multiple color choices, it's a sleek and practical addition to any kitchen. The premium 6-in-1 Mandoline slicer is designed to revolutionize your kitchen prep with 6 extra sharp stainless steel blades, ensuring precision cuts every time. Swap blades in seconds with the included blade organizer, featuring 2 Mandoline blades, 1 grater blade, 1 julienne blade, and 2 spiralizer blades for endless versatility. The safety glove keeps your hands protected, while the non-slip base adds stability. Cut your prep time in half and enjoy effortless slicing, grating, and spiralizing. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Upgrade your kitchen game today. The chef finger guards are the perfect shield-shaped handguard to keep your fingers safe while slicing and chopping. Worried about injuring your fingers while cutting vegetables? These guards offer 360-degree protection, so you can cut with confidence. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, they are durable, lightweight, and comfortable to wear, just like a ring. Plus, the adjustable finger sheath ensures a secure fit for any hand size. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this must-have kitchen tool makes food prep safer and stress-free for everyone. The ultimate easy clean deep fryer from Tefal takes hassle-free frying to the next level with its patented oil filtration technology. Once cooking is finished, simply flip the switch to activate automatic oil filtration. As the oil cools, it is filtered and drained into the oil box, keeping it clean and ready for next use. The oil bin, basket, and lid are all dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup. Store the oil box in your cabinet or inside the fryer, making it convenient and space-saving. With Easy Clean technology, you get fresh, reusable oil every time for perfectly crispy, golden results with zero mess. The OXO Good Grips Cookie Press makes baking a breeze with discs for all seasons, giving you beautifully shaped cookies year-round. Its comfy non-slip handle ensures a firm grip for effortless pressing, while the easy-to-use design lets you press, bake, eat, repeat without hassle. Whether crafting festive treats or everyday delights, this press delivers consistent results with every squeeze. Plus, cleanup is simple. The press disassembles easily, making it a baker's best friend for quick and mess-free cookie making. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best Amazon kitchen gadgets to make your cooking easier, faster, and way more fun. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more awesome kitchen finds. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!